We're here at Amarillo Dragway with Farm Truck and Asia, man.
You heard it from Donk Street Outlaws. I'm Donk, and I approve this message. All right, LeBron James couldn't carry Michael Jordan's jockstrap.
Currently back at the shop, and you can see this low Monte Carlo. He got a 400. The tire setup is nice though. I'm not gonna lie. Got a nice tire setup. Like the way he sit. Short wide. I don't know who's short. Oh, this Byron short wide. I guess he started body working it. See, he's updated. Body worked. Not the hood. Hood rough. Then Big Danny put rims on this. Got sealed. Look good. I don't know what this got in here. Pretty sure it's a 350. Then this steel, man. 1973 Buick Centron convertible. 455. Got the title and everything. Everything was there. Got this car, I think, out of Canyon. All the pieces. Paint job not even bad. Windshield is clear. Mine not bad. What you got back here? The seats. Donk. Here's a rear clip for this. Donk sitting good. Another Donk. I think this is the long bed Big Danny just bought. I don't know what this truck needs. I think it drives. Oh, no, it needed a fuel pump, and he put a fuel pump on here. This is a whole different short bed, long bed, everything. Trayson sold his long bed. Go back and watch the last video if you haven't. If you're looking for a short wide and it's still here. Currently in the Donk right now. Donk sitting nice. Sitting nice. Mug look good. Yup. But y'all stay tuned. I'm about to, I don't know, hit a few blocks. Got some homework. I'm just here chilling at the shop right now. Wanted to come check out Kiki's 1973 Buick Centron. All he needs is the motor, put it back together. Check back in with me next week. New video dropping. I'm sure it'll be the car put together with a motor. Big Danny be on it. Y'all stay tuned. What's good, man? Clocking back in. Today we're at Amarillo Drag Strip. And right now the pro mods are racing. I've never been to this drag strip. Only, I think, Butter. Gosh, I can't even think. But anyways, only been to Texas Speedway, Motor Speedway, or whatever in Ennis, Texas. Now we're at our Amarillo drag strip, and I should have brought my mic, so y'all probably won't hear me talk this much for the rest of this vlog until after. But yeah, we here, man. We outside. Here with my dad, my brother. I think they got a few regular cars. I don't know, but y'all just stay tuned. Monte Carlo. This nigga's yeah. Farm trucking agent over here. Here with Donk, and he's talking about Jordan is better than LeBron.
The wind's really blowing, so they can't hear us. Okay, so
They can hear us.
I'm gonna talk loud.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, here it is. You heard it from Doc Love, Street Outlaws. I'm Doc, and I approve this message.
My name's James Love. Everybody calls me Doc. I drive a 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. Been my pride and joy, my passion.
All right, LeBron James couldn't carry Michael Jordan's jockstrap.
LeBron is the greatest athlete we have ever seen
He's the
on
greatest
television.
athlete in his own mind, and obviously his.
Okay, man, we're here with Doc. Tell us about what you have behind us. Yeah. What's
See that Monte Carlo?
It's got a Thompson Motorsports LS Base 427.
427.
Normal Oxford 27. No, this is Pro Charger.
Pro Charger.
It was moving the track once we never hooked it up. We spun all the way down. It was fun. It was sporty and it was fun. Fans loved it. We loved it. We got our smiling. That's all it's about.
Still got tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we got tomorrow. It's gonna be cold, but hopefully the wind will die down. So we won't have all the dirt on the track. It wasn't really the temperature. It wasn't the wind. It was what the wind was blowing. It put all over the track, so we just couldn't hook it up.
Well, we're out here with Doc. He's in Amarillo, Texas. He's trying to put some power down, man. It's pretty windy. The weather is ugly out
I
here.
haven't raced in wind like this. I've raced in cold. It's been 34 degrees. It's been snowing, but it ain't never been wind like this. It is not really the wind. It's what the wind is blowing. Like earlier today, we had Mexico and New Mexico on the track. And then when we came up for that pass a while ago, now we got, who's in front of us? Who's on top of us up here? Colorado? No, Oklahoma.
Oklahoma, yeah.
On the track there. You know, it's hard to race drag stuff on dirt on the track. So it's hard. But, in all seriousness, LeBron James sucks.
We're here at Amarillo Dragway with Farm Trucking Agent.
Stefan found a Supra for me to race, and they tend to make me a little nervous.
Supra dupra.
And they're here supporting the city, doing their thing. The famous Farm Trucks right here. Where's the Beetle? You still have the Beetle?
That's got Dominator, but once I had to bring up the heavy hitter.
I was just talking to Doc, man. Doc is a great man, amazing people. I'm just happy to be out here and see some street legends from Oklahoma, man, doing their thing big. Thanks. Hey, Johnny Dang, man, I'm telling everybody. Hey, shout out Johnny. Shout out Farm Shout out Adrian, man. Thank you.
This guy, I'm gonna call him Jaws.
What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in. Last clip, I believe I was at the racetrack with Asian Farm Truck, Dominator, and all of those guys. Right now, we're currently looking at this Chrysler. Just another daily. I think it's leaking oil. It has 130,000 miles.
I think he's saying it's the bueno code. Won't say?
Oh,
Eso
valve
es
leaking.
poco dinero.
Yeah. Looks like it. Smell
No sé
it.
qué es aquí. Por el casco.
Just a little 3.6. Not too bad in the inside. Screen's cracked. Windshield's cracked. He's asking for it. How many miles? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, man.
Yes, sir. No more short wide. She gotta go.
Bro, they came narrow after the short one. That is crazy work. Unlock it. This mug is tough. Bro, they came narrow. Big 6'2". Sunroof. SS on the seat.
Way better than the short wide, chat.
Man, I'm
Gotta
telling
pop
you.
the hood and do this, that, and the third.
180 on the dash. Stop playing. Big 6'2".
Yes.
Big 6'2".
Yeah, chat. Way better than the short wide. I ain't gonna lie.
This mug is nice. I like this. Spoiler.
BBL.
Yeah. Boys lined up.
Feel good to go fast.
I bet it do. What's good? Clocking back in to give y'all a quick update on what's been going on in this video. It's been a lot. So started off at the shop. 1973 Buick Centron convertible. Kiki got that absolute steal. Has all the body, all the interior, just need a drivetrain. Saw a slow Monte Carlo with a 400 stock small block. Don's getting gapped and everything. He pulls up next to me in. Stay tuned for that. Tracing sold his short bed. Got a Camaro SS. Big Danny put rims on his short bed. My dad, 73 Impala. It's coming along, 5.3 project. If you haven't, go back to the past like 7 videos and just watch them all. Watch them all. It's all going down. It's all happening. Farm Truck and Asian. Saw those guys at the drag strip. Saw Dominator and Donk. Got a clip in with Donk. Got a clip in with Asian and Farm Truck. Super windy out there. Didn't get to experience the full like drag strip experience in Amarillo. Been to Texas 2K, so it's kind of high expectations. 72 Impala is on the market for sale. 7K or best offer, clean title with the 75 drivetrain, or you can get it as a roller for $4,500. What else is going on? 75 is also still for sale. 15K or best offer. You can get it however you want it. Have your own transporter. I can have a transporter for you. Probably will cost a little bit more than you typically spend with a transporter. If you really want one, I can lock one in, do my research, call around, make it happen. But with the 75, about to start the frame off process, ordering trunk pan, about to get the surface rust off the frame, rhino line. Seen someone recommend dry ice. Haven't seen that method yet, but need to look that up. What else is going on? Yeah, might rhino line that. Not really sure. Still have the 6.2, 6L80. Have everything built, ready to go. Just which project do I want to go with? Still need a daily. Still want a truck. Still want a trailer. A whole lot of stuff going on, but shout out to the 1,000 subs. Just coming to give y'all a quick update, recap on what happened in this past video, what's going on the channel. So once again, shout out to the 1,000 subs, new supporters, everyone supporting me. Only up from here, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Got to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see what's happening next.